Hello Vastra beauties. I hope you all are doing good. So welcome to my vlog where I'm gonna show you how I can wear this kurti into different formats. So this one kurti will be available tomorrow in only red color. As I promised, I could get only red color. So let me show you how you can wear this one kurti in different ways. So basically this kurti is like a sleeveless one. The inner is like a cotton and the outer one is like a georgette. So how I paired with this kurti, how I style this kurti as is how I sold this with the black and red ear studs, and I wore it with the red because this has the red color. To just get that pop of red, I wore it with the red color. So let's see how I'll transform this one kurti into different looks. Okay, so this is the first look where I took the inner. The inner is sleeveless, but what I did, I wore a t-shirt to make it I'm sure like some of you are uncomfortable to wear sleeveless. So I took a t-shirt and I wore it so that this looks like a elbow length sleeve dress, and I paired it with a red belt, and I still have the same red shoes that I was wearing, and I paired it with the hoops because here you have that golden color, and this is like this is not that much see-through. It's a bit heavy cotton material, so you can just wear it as a dress. So this is going to be the first look out of that dress that I wore earlier. So let's go to the second look. This is the second look where I'm trying to make it look like an anarkali dress. So I paired it with the black leggings and I paired it with the contrast dupatta, and I paired it with the red shoes. I'm keeping the same red shoes to show you girls how you can wear the same shoes and change the looks. So this gives you like a anarkali kind of a feel because this is like so flared dress, and you can pair it with the dupatta, and you can pair it with like a heavy choker and heavy earrings to give you that party look. But this is how you can convert that same top into a kurti. And if you're comfortable with sleeveless, you can avoid wearing this black t-shirt. You can just wear it sleeveless and pair it with the dupatta and the leggings to make it look like an anarkali dress. So let's move to the third look. This is the third and the final look. So what I did, I paired it with a pair of office pants and I paired it with the lace, like a lace shirt that I have. And I paired this, so I always say it in the lives that you can pair it with your jeans or you can pair it with your pants. So this is how you can pair it with your pants, and it looks really elegant. And I'm still wearing the same red shoes, but now I've changed it to a floral black color earrings just to add that peppy kind of a feel. And this is going to be the third look. Technically these are like 4 looks you can wear as is, or you can try these 3 looks. So one dress you can wear it in 4 different ways. I hope you girls like at least one of the looks, and please let me know which look you girls like. And tomorrow I'll do a short live before posting the red one, but I'm gonna post the red one in the same dress. In the same dress I have the red ones. I'm still measuring them, so I'll post them tomorrow. I hope you girls like any one of the looks that I recreated with using that just one dress. Please let me know, and please like if you really like any of the looks. And hope to see you girls on Friday for the live, and let's have fun and stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye.